We have an aerobatic Hall of Fame, and both these performers are in it.
I've seen Patty before.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
Skip is one of the best too.
Off to the right, or east side of the airport. Old World War I players. All the way around with the inside Frenchman style little. And that's his 10B, perfectly round. First Humpty Bump right there. Back across the top, and now he'll do a quarter roll. Now he's going to do the push right here. Negative G's right there. About 2.5 to 3 negative G's. Wave a little bit, wiggle his wings. We'll get around to that. Rolls him. On the deck. Up on the 45 with an inside and an outside snap. Stops it at be about 200 to 210 miles per hour at the bottom of the dock. 2.5, inside step roll. The airplane is painted like a hot rod style from the 50s or 60s. Flame and bright colors. Now, skip this right tonight, bigs and roll. As he goes across, look down on the runway directly beneath his position right now. You can see his ground crew taxiing out there. And we have their, I think one of those guys is the county commissioner. Joe Flesher, Ellen Ross, Anthony Sanders. Who's up there now? He's going to come down here and fly underneath those ribbons. And conditions are just about right. Ladies and gentlemen, Patty Whitestad. Lines rolling across the sky. She comes back down on the down line this time. Now watch, she's up there. 30 degrees, now she's going to push. Roll 1 and 2. Now she goes back on the stick. Straight on up. Vertical line, now watch this, she's going outside. She's standing right on the wingtip for a second. And come right back down, reversing direction. Keep your eye on Patty, she goes back in the air.
His final assignment in the Air Force just before retirement was as the commander of the 82nd Aerial Target Squadron at Kenai Air Force Base in Panama City, Florida. Just so you know, this young man passing in front of us is Scott Scuderio in the B-51's Quicksilver. He's performing today in the RV-8. As a home built, the RV-8A is an airplane that many can aspire to learn to fly and to learn to fly aerobatics in. Whether they build it themselves or buy it from someone else, like Jive did, the RV-8A from Vans Aircraft is what Jive calls the every...
From the left. considered young in the air show industry by some. Based in Pittsburgh's Ellington Army Airfield. In 1945, the Army transferred ownership to the United States Department of Commerce, redesignated as C-18S, the Department of Commerce, Acorn Welding. Thank you very much. Also,
Watch now as the guy goes back to the odds of turning the fire on the side to bug out. Typing messages like you saw earlier today. The command for the lead, the Skycatchers will execute a 90-degree right turn into a trail formation.
rolling out just a little bit. Patty's upside down. There's a nightmare. Wow, that's a royal fire for you. Feel that heat. How about that, folks? Welcome to the VERO Beach